Hi everybody. Today I got my Ipsy bag for March 2021. There's an add-on in here too. That's why it feels so thick. The add-on that I chose is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. And this is a set of 3 makeup removing cloths. This was so cheap. I think it was $3 or $5, something like that. And you get the 3 cloths. Here's one of them. They're nice and soft. One side is for exfoliating and the other side is for regular cleaning. That you can just remove your makeup without water. So you can just remove your makeup without cleanser. Okay, now onto the bag. First I see a brush from Farrah Brushes. This is their pressed powder 620F. It's fluffy with a little bit of a tip at the end with that oval shape. Okay, that's nice. And this is the bag. This is cute. Hey, babe.
Hey, Mom.
And this month's theme is Stronger Together. There's a description of the products in there. All right. So first thing is from Elizabeth Mott. This is a vitamin C facial scrub. It says, give your skin the glow up it deserves while treating it to a dose of brightening vitamin C. Okay, that's nice. And then next is from Hanalei. It's a Kukui lip balm. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. That's better. I like lip balms. It smells a little bit like mint. It's like your standard lip balm. Okay. And it says, this minty balm is made with coconut and kukui nut oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. Cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens or phthalates. Okay. Got a nice lip balm from Hawaii, or with ingredients from Hawaii. And then next, this is my choice item, the Lottie blush.
All right, Mom.
Okay, baby, be safe.
Love you.
Love you too. And this is the ombre blush in the shade Red Hot. It says, like a shot of espresso for your skin, this berry colored blush wakes up tired looking skin in seconds. The powder formula is ultra soft, easy to blend, and gives skin the perfect lit from within flush. Okay. It does have ombre. It goes from light to dark, or dark to light if you have it this way. Okay, let's see how it looks. It's pretty. Okay, that's a nice blush. I like the color. I was a little worried about the color. I wasn't sure if I would like it, but I do like it. Okay, and then the final thing in this bag is from Sophia and Maybelline. This is Wet Glow in Champagne Toast. So I'm guessing this is a highlighter. There it is. I like the case. It's pretty. And then the color. It's a nice warm color. Okay, that's nice. I won't swatch it because I have so many and I'll probably give this to someone. Okay, so for the March Ipsy, for my add-on, I got these makeup removing cloths from the Vintage Company. Pressed powder brush. I got the Elizabeth Mott Vitamin C Scrub. The Hanalei Coconut and Kukui Oil Lip Balm. The Lottie London Blush in Hot Red, or Red Hot. And the highlighter from Sophia and Maybelline. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the March Ipsy. Thank you for watching. Bye.